Hey guys, so I got this package from Gershion, which they sent me for PR, which is amazing. I'm so excited to open this. We got a bunch of really cool stuff and a lot of really good stuff just in time for Christmas. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this package. First, it comes with a bunch of nail forms, these sticker ones, and it also comes with these dual forms, which are also very helpful. It comes with a bunch of them, and unlike the last brand that I had, they're all the same type, so that's very helpful. I'm actually not going to be using these, but I'm going to use the nail forms. It also comes with this brush. This is just like the typical brush that all Polygel sets come with the brush on the end and then the spatula on the other end. And then it also comes with this nail file, which is a good nail file, which is 100-180 grit, which is, essential for all nail stuff. So in the package, it comes with, what does it come with? The base coat and the top coat, as well as 6 different colors. So there's only 4 colors that I'm going to swatch, but this kit comes with a clear and a white. Those are pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure the formula is good. If the formula for these ones are good, then I'm sure the other one will be good as well. But I'm going to start swatching with this one. It's number 1. This is a white, no, it's a clear, kind of like a holographic glitter. It's really, really pretty. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. Very pretty silvery clear color. Next we're going back to this pink one, which is very pretty. It's also a clear polygel. This is clear with a hint of pink and pink glitters and things like that. Super, super pretty. This one's probably one of my favorite ones because it's very natural looking. Next is this purple glitter. I wasn't too crazy about this one, but it is still really pretty. It's a clear purple glitter. Yeah, just has a hint of purple. It's more on the clear side, I noticed when I actually put it on a nail, but it's very, very pretty still. Last is this red one, which is a red glitter. I wasn't too crazy about this one. It's very much red, but it doesn't have as much glitter as I would like it to. So I feel like for a Christmas nail it could be a little bit more glittery, but it's not bad. Very pigmented though, so yes. This is what they look like up close. So pretty. I can't wait to show you guys once I get them on my practice hand. So here's my practice hand. I have 2 fingers prepped already. I don't do too much to prep these. I don't waste my primer and dehydrator, but I just rough up the nail. So I'm gonna start by filing the free edge just to get it short, and then I'm gonna go around the quote-unquote cuticle area just to rough everything up, and then I'm just gonna bring it down the nail bed just so that the entire nail is nice and filed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with these nail forms, which I'm excited to use because I've been wanting to try these for a long time. Since I don't do acrylic, I really obviously have no purpose for these, but I'm going to apply them. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply it regular. If I'm doing it wrong, just teach me. Don't be a fucking asshole. Just teach me how to do it. So I'm just gonna apply this to the nail, and then I have to actually use tape to keep it on, just because these aren't, it's not real skin, it's just rubber or plastic. So I have to keep it on there good with some tape. Okay, so I'm going to be using Femi Beauty's technique, and I'm just going to apply the polygel straight to the nail. And then instead of slip solution, because this kit actually did not come with slip solution, I'm going to be using my base gel as a slip solution. And I think this works actually a lot better than regular slip solution. So I'm just going to paint the base gel on top of the polygel. And this is going to make sure that our brush doesn't stick to the gel while we move it around. And I was really surprised when I saw her doing this on her videos. I was kind of confused. I didn't really get it, but when I actually tried it, it works amazing. So I'm actually going to grab a different brush that's a little bit bigger, and I'm going to push everything to where I need it before I cure. So I'm still working on learning how to do the apex and all that stuff. So this nail, it's not completely flat, but it's not completely amazing either. But I'm just gonna cure it. I just want to show you guys how well these worked and how the formula is and all that stuff. So this is just my first attempt on a practice nail. Okay, so for the next nail, I'm going in with this purple polygel, and I'm going to apply it straight to the nail again. This time I'm going to do a shorter square nail, just to kind of switch it up, because not everybody gets long nails, so I'm trying to practice everything. I'm going to go in with the base gel, and then I'm going to move it around. So I only cured these for 30 seconds just for tutorial sake, but I'm going to do the tap test to see if it's hardened, and they are very much cured, which is good. We'll see how it goes when I remove the forms to see if the underside has cured, but so far the top is good. So next I'm going in with the silver one, and I'm going to do another long nail. I'm going to do a coffin nail this time. We're just going to do the same process. Last, I'm going in with the red color, and I'm just going to do something that would be similar to an overlay. So I'm just going to apply this to the nail and then smooth it out. I'm going to smooth it out. This is just going to be like more natural looking. So I was recently sent these nail wipes, which are 100% lint free, as well as this spray bottle with alcohol in it. I will link them down below because I think they're great and they're so good at not leaving lint all over your nails. So I'm going to apply some of this alcohol to the wipes, and I'm going to wipe off the tacky layer from each nail, and then we're going to start to file. So I'm going to start by removing the nail forms, and unfortunately the underside wasn't dry on any of these, but I think that's normal maybe, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is just flip the hand over and smooth out the uncured gel, and then I'm just going to recure it. So I'm just going to go in with my e-file and file these up. It's going to take a little while. Oh my gosh, my dog won't stop barking. I'm just going to file them up. Sorry guys. It's going to take a little while, so I'm just going to fast forward everything. My dog won't stop barking. It's so hard to record, and I know you guys get frustrated with all the background noise, but please understand I am a single mother. I have a child who likes to play Fortnite and yell. I have a puppy who's only 4 months old who's learning how to bark. I have another dog who likes to bark when he hears things outside. So I have a lot going on in my house. If you guys want me to just do music over my videos and no more voiceovers, I can do that too. But girl, please understand, especially if you're a mother also, I can't have completely silent videos. Yeah, it's just not possible. So bear with me if you can. If you don't like my videos because of that, that's fine too, but understand that that's my life. That is my life. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna keep filing and filing and filing until it looks right, and then I'll show you guys, because we're just gonna top it off with a top coat. And there goes my other dog. We're just gonna top it off with a top coat, and then I'll show you guys how the final results look. Okay, and here are the end results. I think these nails look so pretty. This glitter is so pretty. It's not too crazy, it's very subtle. And this pink, man, I really want to put this pink on myself. I love it. But yeah, these are the 4 colors that I used, and it all comes in one package, and I'll send you guys the link. I'll show you guys a link in my description box below. I did purchase it off Amazon. As you can see, one of the nails did pop off. I'm not sure why, but the other ones, they're on there. They're really on there. Yeah, I had no problem. It's just this pink one for some reason wanted to pop off, but all the other ones are pretty strong on the nail. They stay on my fake nail, so I don't see a problem with this. So I would definitely recommend this kit, guys. Super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Yeah, I'm trying to practice polygel some more, so bear with me on my journey to learn polygel. If there's anything you see me doing wrong, please let me know and be nice about it, because I don't know, some of y'all don't know how to speak to a girl. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.